Hey guys, I made this script where GPT-3 can have a chat with GPT-4. Both the models have their own capabilities, so I think it's a very nice way to see how they perform in given circumstances. So, for example, we can say, hey GPT-3, your job is to convince GPT-4 that AI is the future. And on the other side, I can ask GPT-4, hey GPT-4, your job is to counter what GPT-3 says about AI future and make sure to convince GPT-3 that AI is not the future. So let's see who will win in this scenario. To quickly go through this code, you can see I have this function that is used to get response from GPT-3 model. And down here, I have another function that is used to get response from GPT-4 model. Here I have the memory, and here there is a simple while loop. Okay, anyway, I will share this code with you so you can play around with it. Here I can give instructions to GPT-3 and say, your job is to prove that AI is the future. Give logical reasoning, and if you cannot, make sure to surrender. Now get started. And if I go down here and to GPT-4, I will say your job is to prove that AI is not the future. Counter any logical statements. Okay, that's it. I think we are good to go. Before that, I want to add one more statement and say make sure your statements are small and concise so that they don't come up with the whole paragraph all at once. Let's see how it responds. Okay, so GPT-3 has come up with like 7 reasons why AI is the future. So this is the reason number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here it is, here is the GPT-4. So GPT-4 is saying technology evolves where AI is prominent now. It will eventually be suppressed by new technologies. AI depends heavily on data quality. AI decisions can be flawed due to bias or inaccurate data. So GPT-4 is trying to counter the statements given by GPT-3. So okay, it's in the second iteration, GPT surrendered. It's saying I surrendered. The points provided present valid concerns. My God, GPT-3 is so weak. I didn't expect that. Anyway, so since GPT-3 has surrendered, so we don't need to go down and read all the conversation because there will be repetitions. Because I haven't put any check here yet. Make sure to use this code and try it out for different scenarios. It's so much fun. And feel free to leave your comments down there and make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.